Woolworths and Landcare Australia awarded our school a grant so we could have this native beehive in our garden.
It helped us learn about the environment.
We learned how stingless bees pollinate the plants, which then means the vegetables in our garden can grow.
Junior Landcare is all about encouraging our children to develop skills, create experiences and share their knowledge. We are encouraging our children to develop an understanding and appreciation of sustainable food production, enhancing native habitats, improving waste management practices and Indigenous perspectives. Since 2018, Landcare Australia and Woolworths Partnership have provided over 1,000 grants to Australian primary schools and early learning centres. This means that over 100,000 children nationwide are being supported to become the next generation of environmental champions. The students here at St Martin's School in Sydney have benefited from a grant they received for their Need for Bees project.
Getting involved with environmental projects at a young age equips students with the ability, resources and knowledge to take meaningful action to protect the environment as they grow up. We have a range of environmental initiatives here at St Martin's, including our veggie garden, composting, worm farm and recycling. To enhance our garden, we wanted to teach students more about biodiversity with a native stingless beehive.
Having the stingless bees in our playground has been a fantastic learning opportunity for our students. It's been a great big science project, learning about the life cycle of bees, how pollination helps our food production, and making sure that we have a sustainable future.
We appreciate the support from Woolworths and Junior Landcare to help us with our school's environmental journey.
Thanks to Woolworths and Junior Landcare, we are learning to care for the environment at school and in our local community.
Together we are making a difference.